Good morning, beloved brothers and sisters. The daily word is from Deuteronomy 1 verse 17. You shall not show partiality in judgment. You shall hear the small as well as the great. You shall not be afraid in any man's presence, for the judgment is God's. And today's scripture is from James 2 verse 9. But if you show partiality, you commit sin, and are convicted by the law as transgressors. Have a blessed day.